Now after we have set up the Coolify, let's go and attach the domain. So remember, we have this domain name, so make sure whatever domain name you have purchased, just go to the domain list. Again, I'm showing you. Okay, just go here, whatever domain name you have, just click on manage. And after you have done this, you can just come over here, click on advanced DNS, and whatever you have, you can delete the record. Let's say, let's attach the domain, click on settings, and let's wait. Here you can see the URL. So here what you guys can do is that you can create a record. Okay, so for example, my URL will be like this: https colon column, and then whatever domain name you have. Let's say in my case it's cookbackend.com. so this is the domain name I want, but I want the Coolify panel to be installed in subdomain. Okay, so what I can do is that I can create a record. Okay, and here let's say I can put, let's say, Coolify like this, whatever your IP address. So for example, let's say, what was your IP address? So our IP address is this one. Just copy it, go here, paste it here, and just click on the save button. You see this tick mark, tap on it, and that record will be added. By the way, it takes Namecheap few minutes to set it. So I will also going to write this same one here, coolify.https coolify dot your domain name, and you can just name it, let's say, whatever you want. Let's say Coolify like this, save it up. And by the way, you can also set your time zone if you want to. And now if you try to open this link in your browser, it will take little bit amount of time for the Coolify to work on this domain, but do not worry, everything will be properly done. Meanwhile, you can just check here some backups we have, some transactional emails we have, some auth one. Okay, and plenty of other configurations. But let's just go here and let's again check it. But it will take approx it can take approx 24 hours to set it up. But this is how you can just set up the domain, okay, very easily on your server. Okay, now you can click on the dashboard, and one more thing, by the way, you can also just click on a record here and just put your host, let's say @ and same IP address you can put here. Okay, which you have. Click on save changes. So just do this. Okay, do not worry about it. Let's do that. Let's point it to the VPS server. Okay, and let's say if you just again try, after some time it will start to work. Okay, can see after some time I try to refresh and you can see it worked. Now whatever email ID you have put, password you have set, let's say my Coolify password was this, I will just copy it, paste it here, click on login button, and I will be able to log into my Coolify dashboard with my custom domain. You can see it over here, you can see. Okay, and that's how you can access now Coolify, and this is how we have set up the Coolify, okay, with our custom domain. Okay, very simple and easy. Now you can easily deploy apps and application whatever you want to. By the way, if you just go to projects, so guys, project means if you just understand the Coolify, okay, so we create projects. Okay, and inside this project we can build as many as resources. Okay, so for example, let's say the project one, let's say you can create, let's say, which is related to websites. Okay, right, you can create that is related to the website. Okay, and inside this website project you can, let's say, build unlimited, let's say, WordPress websites. Okay, like you can build, let's say, your e-commerce website, let's say a blog website, etc, etc. Okay, and let's say you can create, let's say, another projects. Okay, another project, and let's say this project could be, let's say, related to email marketing, where you can just put Mautic application. or you can build your own SMTP, etc., etc. So what I mean to say is that whatever, let's say project could be N8N automation, okay, anything. But the thing is that in Coolify allow us to create different projects, okay, and inside the projects we can put as many as resources, okay. So for example, if I click on, let's say, add project, let's say this is something, let's say, related to websites, I can create a project, okay, tap here, and let's say you can see website project has been created. Similarly, let's say I can create, let's say, something related to automations project, and inside it here I can put as many as applications or web apps related to automation like N8N, okay. And let's say I can create more, let's say, database, okay, where I can put, let's say, MongoDB type of a application, okay. If you see and click on project again, database, okay, and so on, right? So this is how amazing it is. Let's say we create, let's say, for the email marketing, let's say, okay, let's say you can put here, let's say, Motic and other email marketing applications. So this is the way Coolify help us to, arrange all the applications very easily, okay, in the Coolify. And this is basically how you can set up the Coolify, okay. And the last thing, guys, hope you guys have, understood about Coolify. Now when we talk about Coolify, so it's not only about, deploying it, but if you just go to the site, we have, just go to the courses here and just search for Coolify, okay, in our website, and you will going to see we have a Coolify self-managed web hosting, tech control, cut cost, and no limits. So when you access this course, so this course is about 3 or 30 minutes. Now the best thing about this course is that this course is completely about Coolify. So whatever you have watched till now, so all the things has been covered inside this course, but the benefit is that we have covered a lot of things like, SSH, sudo, two-factor authentication. So if you want to secure your server, because currently you're using root, okay, and root will not going to help you out, okay. Your server can easily going to get hacked after some time because root is very common. So how to protect the server, how to take the backups, and throughout the time you will see more and more lectures will be added. By the time when you will come to this course again, you will see backup automatically system will be added to the course. So every single time we will going to add new and new things about Coolify in this course, okay. So the course which you are watching right now is just sufficient for the beginners point of view to set up the Coolify. But if you really want to care about and securing about your server, okay, in the long run and for the long business, make sure that you explore this course, okay. It will really going to help you out, okay. So it's under the membership, you can just get the membership, okay. From the pricing, get membership, and from here you can access the membership from our website, and you can access not only the Coolify course but also other amazing courses we have in our collection, from Jupyter Notebook to Tableau course to Canva course to Build AI Tools course to Google Analytics to WordPress course and many more, okay. So make sure that you explore and explore our website, and also check the library, click on library, and make sure you check the developer kit where we have plenty of things from 100 Python interview question to 200 plus Python project and many more things. So make sure you explore all of them, okay.